Hello guys, what to do or how to fix if your laptop automatic shutting down and startup. Sometimes it happens that your laptop automatic starting up, automatic shutdown. Then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on the start button and choose device manager. In device manager windows, check any device driver having yellow color exclamation mark. That means it is a faulty driver and you should update driver or disable driver and reinstall driver. Simply right click on it and choose update driver. Look for other such type of device driver having yellow color exclamation mark sign. The cause of automatic shutdown is overheating is a common issue and a bane to computers. That is why all computers have built-in mechanism to shut down if hardware components become too hot. Do not overwork your hardware components, especially while playing games, to avoid overheating. Also ensure the laptop computer fans are in working good condition. The one more workaround you must apply: go to control panel in your system and here look for power options. Click on it and here from the left side click on choose what the power button does. Thereafter click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on it and disable fast startup. Turn on fast startup, uncheck this option and choose save changes from the bottom of the page and check whether your laptop automatic startup and closing is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Run the hardware troubleshooters. Press Win plus R shortcut key to launch. Run command box and here execute the command msdt exe id device diagnostic. Sometimes any hardware related issue may be a cause of automatic restart or shut down your laptop. So run this command, troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, hardware and devices. Choose advanced, apply repairs automatically and choose next. And follow on screen instruction to complete the process. After that, once troubleshooter completed, restart your system, your problem will definitely be resolved. So you must check your laptop fans are cleaned and no any dirts exist on your fans. Simply remove, clean your fan and avoid overheating of your computer. While you playing game, don't plugged in charger and avoid charging while you working on your laptop. So overheating is a main cause of your laptop automatic shutdown and restart.